15th of October, and it is White Cane Day, right? As well as our APJ Abdul Kalam sir was there, president. His birthday also, a very inspiring day. Vijay Dasmi also this year. So we are going to learn about white cane. Then as the introduction, I have with me Maggie madam, and she has dedicated her life in teaching orientation and mobility. Orientation means placing yourself in a particular way. I should be knowing I am here. If I have to go to the road, then I have to turn this way. So I have to orient myself. Mobility means how do I move? What is my gait? Correct? So as far as movement is concerned, then movement is considered to be a motor act. Okay? And fine, we all know that there are some 5 senses, some will say 7 senses, but in our Indian context, the Bhagavad Gita says that the eyes are the sensory organ which take information, and the karmendriya, the jnanendriya is the eye, and the karmendriya is the foot. So the moment you cannot see, you become clumsy like this. Right? So your mobility is affected as well as your orientation. So for people with visual disability, the white cane is considered to be a boon. The mark of independence. It is not the mark of dependence. Because of the white cane, they become independent. So Maggie ma'am, if you can just speak out a few words about the white cane and how to use it. Please ma'am.
There are 4 parts are there in white cane. One is tip, shaft and grip. Grip is made out of rubber. Usually it is in black in color. It protects us from electricity shocks like that. Aluminium tube. Aluminium is a good conductor of information. This is made out of polypropylene. We can remove it and we can use it also like that. Okay, there should be a reflective tape also in this, which is very important. See, while walking, you have to hold it like a handshake position. As director said, it's a handshake position. Yes, handshake position. You have to hold it 1.5 inches, 1 radi. நம்ம கை வந்து L shape இருக்கும். Okay, in center of our body. Center of our body. The shirt la போடுறீங்க, the shirt center la. Okay, then right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This is called rhythm. The sound, no, this is called rhythm. Rhythm. This is R. This is rhythm. Okay.
You want to add something? Now here we have another cane, the advanced version known as the smart cane. So it can detect further. As it has been told that we should be in handshake position and your finger should be touching this particular green or black area only, because electrocution, getting electricity shock is something which should be avoided. Remember that. It should be in the center of your body. So there are further advantages of a smart cane. Kripanandam sir, who has been the Assistant Director of NIVH Regional Center. Please sir, can you?
In the previous cane you have seen, unless you touch an object, you will come in contact with an object, you will not know that there is some obstacle. But with this cane, because of this electronic equipment, when I move, when there is an object in front of me, this vibrates. So I will come to know that there is something in front of me, even having contact with that particular object. I am walking now. Now the cane started vibrating. That means there is something in front of me. Now let me check. Now I have vibration. Now I have vibration. Searching. Now I have almost no vibration. So this cane is free. Immediately some downfall. A cane is going down. So I will search. Looks as if there are steps. So I use the cane this way. And now I touch the ground because the cane has come on the ground. Suppose I am walking this way. I will search. Now the cane is free. So there are steps. I take the cane this way. Now the cane moves freely. That means the steps are over. Then I take my position. And then thank you.
Oh, thank you. So there are 3 techniques to use the cane. And I request Maggie ma'am You can just tell about the 3 techniques, which are basic 3 techniques.
Okay, this is touch technique. UOUCH. This is touch technique. As soon as I come here, say touch. This means this is popping up. Popping up. Okay. Okay. Then okay. I. As soon as come here, no, I know that there is a sample. Here I am looking at them. Immediately I have to go to the same like this and walk. Going up, we have to use the pencil grip. Pencil, depends how we are holding the pencil like this, no? The same way we have to hold the cane also, pencil grip. We have to explore first. For the path to explore whether there is a space. In the sense, sometimes some big space, this is big space. Some of the place there is no space, so we have to see the space. Then hold it like a pencil grip. This is another one. Okay. Next one is touch and tap.
The third technique is touch and tap.
Yeah.
You can use that for a minute.
See, if you are going in the pavement or like that, come and sit like this.
Yes, yes, come. Come.
In that way, same technique like that. Same technique like that. And that's technique.
மேடம் அந்த பக்கத்துல இருந்து வாங்க நல்லா தெரியும் ரைட்
Tap, touch and tap.
She is touching and she is tapping, right?
Touch and tap. Touch and tap. Same way, we are going in the path with our touch and drag. D-R-A-G. D-Y-U-C-H. D-R-A-G. Drag technique. Next here. I have to stand in.
You can use the warning signs actually.
Yeah.
It's a warning sign, so you can drag it this way. So you exactly know that.
Drag, touch. Drag, touch. Drag, touch. Drag, touch. Drag, touch. Drag, but the same way. Same rhythm you have to follow. Same arc you have to follow. Only the drag is the drag and touch. Drag, same like same. Same like opposite directions. If your right side, left like how you are walking. Left side, same way, the cane also will go like that.
Right. So this is being told that tap and drag. So naturally, when your feet is front, then your cane should be this side, and then
This is called rhythm.
okay, this is the rhythm because your feet goes front and your cane goes this side, so that you can move. And your cane should not move beyond your shoulders. Remember that. Shoulders plus 1 inch. Remember? Shoulders plus 1 inch. So these are few basic techniques which are used and would be helpful for all. Right, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming in. Thank you.